generally, generally, general, generally,
usually, or in most situations.
I generally wake up early. Shortly, shortly, shortage, short, shorten, short, shortly, short.
A short time after or before something.
I got home at midnight and James arrived shortly afterwards. Shortly after you left, a man came into the office looking for you. Reserve, reserve, reservation, reserve.
To arrange to have a seat on an aircraft, a room in a hotel, etc.
I'd like to reserve 2 seats on the 9:15 to Birmingham. I reserved a double room at the Lamb Hotel.
To not allow people to use something because it is only for a particular person or for a particular purpose.
This space is reserved for ambulances only. These seats are reserved for the elderly and women with babies.
Rough, rough,
Rough, rough, rough, roughly.
A rough surface is not smooth.
Rough ground. It was a rough mountain road, covered in stones and huge holes.
Approximate and not exact.
Write a rough copy first and check the grammar. Can you give me a rough idea of the numbers?
Generous, generous,
Generosity, generous, generously.
Willing to give other people money, help, kindness, etc.
She's been very generous with her time.
folk, folk,
Music written and played in a traditional style.
There are several venues for folk and jazz in the city.
The traditional style of art, dancing, etc. among a particular group of people.
She studied the folk art of the region.
Conference, conference,
Conference, conference.
A large, formal meeting, often lasting a few days, where people discuss their work, politics, subjects they are studying, etc.
A conference on women's rights. The annual sales conference. They frequently hold conferences at the hotel.
Hurry, hurry,
Hurry, hurry.
To do something more quickly.
Hurry up or we'll miss the train.
The need to move or do things more quickly than normal.
We left in such a hurry that we forgot our tickets. Can you wait a few minutes? Yes, I'm not in any hurry or I'm in no hurry. Are you in a hurry to leave? Relationship, relationship, relation, relationship, relative, relate, related, relative, unrelated, relatively.
The way two people or groups feel about and behave towards each other.
He has a very good relationship with his father.
A sexual or romantic friendship.
Have you had any serious relationships in the past year? Are you in a relationship at the moment? Taste. 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 Tasty. Tasteful. Tasteless.
The flavor of a particular food in your mouth.
I love the taste of garlic. The soup had a slightly sour taste.
To have a particular flavor.
This sauce tastes strange. The bread tastes of onions. This coffee tastes like dishwater.
To put food or drink in your mouth to find out what flavor it has.
Taste this sauce and tell me if it needs any salt. Whatever's this? I've never tasted anything like it.
Grade. Grade.
A number or letter that shows how good someone's work or performance is.
Steve never studies, but he always gets good grades. Carla got a grade A in German.
Keeper. Keeper.
Keeper. Keep.
A person who takes care of animals or is in charge of valuable objects, a building, etc.
A zookeeper. A lighthouse keeper.
Short for goalkeeper.
The keeper intends to stay with the club until the end of next season.
Convenient. Convenient.
Convenience. Convenient. Inconvenient. Conveniently.
Easy to use or suiting your plans well.
We could meet at either place, whichever is more convenient for you. A bike's a very convenient way of getting around. I find it more convenient to be able to do my banking by phone.
Near or easy to get to.
My new house is more convenient for the station. Install. Install. Installation. Install. Install.
To put a computer program onto a computer so that the computer can use it.
Andrew, can you help me install this software?
To put a piece of equipment somewhere and make it ready for use.
The plumber is coming tomorrow to install the new washing machine. Beauty. 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 Beautiful. Beautifully.
The quality of being beautiful.
This is an area of outstanding natural beauty.